Today is 28th of January, 4:34, 25 minutes before market closes. Currently down 35 point at 2922. Now over here we have very strong moves, and market actually digest recent gain, trading sideways generally with narrow range bar, which is normal. Mentioned in the last video that this bear bar here is negative, and if there are further retracements, that will be generally bearish, and this is what we have seen. And today gap itself is negative. Testing the support here at 2920 is important that this level hold. Breaking these supports, we have another support at 2875, which is quite significant. Alright, so a deep retracement usually will accompany a couple of swing and stuck in the trading range, so likely to be choppy, so we got to be more careful. Let's take a look at the bank stocks. Again, you notice very strong move and retrace, breaking the support in the process. Now trading below 1326. So again, this is the congestion area. It's likely to stuck here in a trading range. UOB. Again, notice after a strong move up, stock actually trades sideways, and today tests this support here at about 2320. Now mentioned in one of the earlier video that we need a catalyst before it can break on the upside. If you actually take a look, this is the weekly chart of UOB. We have very big congestion area. There's 2019, and you require a strong catalyst to be able to actually break through this level here. And you'll see similar patterns in OCBC as well. Very distinct congestion area, so you need a catalyst before you can actually break on the upside. So right now it's important to exercise patience and wait for the stock to complete its consolidations, as the case may be. Now let's take a look at property stocks. Now mentions actually that property stock has weakened. This is CapitaLand. It was the strongest among the major property play, and here again we have this negative bar here and followed by gaps, so it's trading below 1326 SMA. Look for a throwback here. Perhaps you can look for opportunity to short the stocks. Similarly for UOL, run up and consolidate and actually failed, and this is more distinct. Alright, look for a throwback here. We can look for setups to actually short. Again, we have to be very careful because the long-term moving average is up. So if you shorts, again, you cannot hang on for bigger profits. CDL was the stocks were weakened much earlier. And right now, this is actually stuck in the trend range. Notice we have a couple of swing. The swing may get smaller, and that will be easier to trade. Now we do have some bright spots in some property stock. This is Hong Kong Land. Managed to actually hold quite well despite weak market sentiments. I mentioned in one of the forum postings, we have a defiance line at this level here. So I'd like to actually see it taken out eventually after completing these consolidations. Now stress tradings is a stock we rarely discuss because of lower liquidity. This stock has an upward move today. Notice a very high volume. Despite this high volume, you notice it still trade a million shares. It's about 400 lots. So again, if you trade this, you will have to take a very small position. Let's take a look at oil related stocks. Capital Corp. Again, yes, weakened after this move. Notice we have 3 wide range reversal bar, which is quite damaging, and today is a gap down. We can look for throwback here and look for setups to short the stock. So again, you cannot hang out for bigger profit because it's approaching a congestion area which provides some kind of support. Semco Industry. Stock was stuck in the trend range, and today actually break the support. Right. Now if you actually take a look at the weekly charts, any upward potential is probably going to be limited, even though they are set up. If you can see that, so more likely we would require a bigger base for it to actually continue its upward move. So again, just have to observe what happens over the next few sessions. Now, any throwback itself presents an opportunity to short, but again, remember long-term moving averages are up, so it's not likely to actually hang on for a bigger profit. China Aviation Oil appeared to be slightly better Again, mentioned in one of the posting, we have a resistance at these levels. There was a momentary break for my pullback. So far, pullback volume is not very high. And 1328 are still rising. So if you can actually still trade above 117, 118, that will be generally positive. And eventually, you would like to see it take out this high here. This high here is at 120.